But some of these themes are really great. You know, if you have a piece like this Sense one, you have a piece that you really like, you want to showcase it here, and then you want to put a call to action right here that says, hey, see more images like this, see more works like this. That's a good one. But we're going to go, I'm going to pick another theme. So if we click here, visit theme store, and hopefully it loads up here. And so there's just a specific theme that I want to show you that is made for art. So I always kind of like to use this one when we're looking at art. So see, there's a bunch of paid themes, so we're just going to click free, set it sorts by the free theme, and then I like to use this one, not that one, this one called Studio, because it's basically built for artists. So it has a lot of the features that we would want as artists, big pictures of our art and easy to navigate. So we are going to click this one, and we're going to click Try Theme. Now waiting for this to load. So now what we're going to do is once this loads in, we're actually going to go inside. I'm going to show you the fun stuff about setting up a art portfolio website. Now, none of this stuff is too complicated, but once again, if you have questions, just shoot me an email. I'll be happy to do my best to explain everything. So we're going to go to customize, right? So now we have, this is the part that I like. So sometimes there's some nitty gritty things, which I'm going to show you a little bit about, but this is what we want to get to. So browse our latest products and see there's our first product, right? So right here, it's a very simple layout. So right here where it says My Store, we didn't change the title of our store yet. I'm going to show you how to do that in a little bit. But browse our latest products, we probably want to change this to browse our latest pieces, or you could do works. And then right here, we can add a photo. Now, just for time's sake, I'm going to just go here and search for some free images. See what we can find. So let's just assume we're let's just say we're a street artist and we do murals. So we'll put this here. We would put your original pieces here, or maybe you'd put a picture of yourself, but you can see how simple this layout is. And then look, here's the piece, and this is what I was saying. It looks like it's on sale, and it has a sale badge when you put that there. And then the great thing about this site is we can start, even on this home page, it already has a pretty good simple design. So we could add more pieces here. Obviously, we'd want to add probably for our featured collection or our featured products, maybe your 3 to 5, maybe 10 best pieces that would show up right on this page. And then here we would want to add, I don't know why that image went away. Let's see, art. So we'll just click this one again, and we'll click, that's right. Select. And so now it's there. And then we can come here and we could change this. We could add, see, shop new arrivals. So this could be, instead of shop new arrivals, we could say shop oil, or we don't even have to use the word shop. You could say view oil paintings. And then we could change this button here. See, we're down here, image with text, view. And we could put another image. Now I'm just selecting free images for the sake of time, but you might want to, you're going to want to put your own original, images in here. So we could do something like this. Now another thing I want to show you, so then we would link this button. So you would come here to button, see it says all products, but the next thing I want to show you is this collections button. So we haven't created any collections. So for the time being, I'm going to click save. And obviously I'm just going through this really quickly, but we want to then go back. I'm going to go back to the store because I want to show you. So over here in the left-hand corner, we have different things. So we can go here at any time. We can add, we can go up here to the right-hand corner and click add product. But let's say we want to do a collection. So maybe we create a collection, and this one is going to be abstract. Abstract, we want to add, maybe we want to add a description to it, which I would highly recommend for Google search. So we'd write whatever. I'm not going to write anything right now. The other great thing about collections is you can manually add work, or you can automate it. So like if you are selling a lot of prints, you might want to automate because maybe you have prints that are best selling. So maybe you just want to create a best selling collection. That's that first collection that people see when they come to your portfolio site, and all those prints will be up there. So we'll just do manual for now. And then once the collection is created, I'm going to go back in and add this to my store. So now I'm going to go here and I'm going to just browse my products. So we have this one piece of work here, and I'm going to add a painting. And so we can go to the collection page. And so this is a simple collection page, but you get the idea. So on this page here, you can see that we have our one painting inside our abstract collection. So let me go back to this page, and I want to show you, we're going to go back, see down here when it says sales channels, we want to go to online store. So if you can imagine, let's say you're an artist and you work in different mediums, or you have different styles of art that you do, or you have different series that you've created. This is a great way to showcase those individual pieces in a theme or a story, or essentially curate your art. So here I can actually go down on the left-hand side, and we can add a, let's say we want to do a featured collection, right? So we want to click featured collection. It's going to pop up down here, but I actually want to move it. So I'm going to click over here right next to the words, if I can, let's see. Well, it's hard for me to see right now, but I'm just going to go in and I'm going to come here to select collection, and we're going to do abstracts, right? So if we had more of these, we could line up, let's say, 5 or 10 of these. Oh, let's see, there we go. 5 or 10 of these across. So let's say you have a bunch. You see over here it says maximum products to show. So let's say you have a big collection. Maybe you want to show 25 pieces. You can select how many columns are here. You can also do a carousel, which basically means people can swipe instead of they all list below. And then you can also, if you go down here, so maybe you have multiple images. Maybe you have an image like this, and then maybe you have a mock-up image where it shows the piece like above a couch. So you could make this look really, really nice. Now, this is just a very, very simple course. So I'm just showing you in kind of a rush, I would say. But also the other thing is we want to drag this up. So maybe I want to do this right here, right below my best pieces. I want to have a featured collection, right? And this featured collection is going to be called abstracts. And, maybe you work in this medium and maybe this is your newest work, right? Because one thing I was telling you about is you can automate this so that you can just have like your top 10 pieces inside your collection show up here. So maybe every time you drop new, maybe you title this collection new work. So every time you update, you add a new piece to your site, it'll just automatically pop up. So we can actually if you guys want, I can go back to products. Let's say we add another product. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Let's add another. Let's go here and let's add like, let's do something like this. And we'll just leave this blank. We'll add a price. We'll say this is 25. We'll do 2,800 for this. We'll just keep this very simple so that we can save time. And so what I want to do is I want to go back to collection. So now we have two. We're going to create another collection. We're going to do new work, automated. Let's see. Let's so we can do, let's see. You could always do is greater than 1, right? Because all of these are going to have 1. And then as you sell them, they'll move out of your collection, right? So we'll do that. And we'll see. And so you can sort by best selling. So if you're selling a lot of prints, some reason it didn't update. Let's do equal to 1. Let's see what happens. So this one popped up. I guess I didn't put a, oh yeah, 0 in stock. So if we come here and update, which I should have did when we initially did this, is we're going to do 1. Okay, so now we have 1 available. So now if we go to collections, go to new work, and for some reason that's not working. So 1 in stock, it should be. Let's see, maybe it's just running slow. Yeah, so there it is. Now they're both in here. So we go to online store. We can add a collection. And go back here to customize. And okay. So here it is. And let's see. Let's change. So right now we're going to change the collection to new work. And see, now they both popped up. Also want you to show, because I didn't do the compare app price, it doesn't say sale on the yellow and blue drip, right? So you can see that if you had 5 or 6 of these lined across here, it would look really, really good. Now, I want to move on. So this is a simple, obviously this doesn't look great, and we would change a bunch of things here. We would want to add lots of different things. I want to show you a few other simple things that you want to do.